In this video, we're going to look at positioning your Vista goggles to get the best focus. So let's start with positioning the Vista goggles using the headset configuration. So put the headset and Vista goggles on your head, loosen the 2 side screws and loosen the 3 thumb screws. You can do this before you put them on, but the point is to get everything nice and loose. So now you can position the Vistas for the best focus on the image. So just turn on your ultrasound unit. You don't have to be scanning something. Just focus on that. So set the Vistas so you see the top 90% of the image. Don't worry about seeing the battery indicator. When you're scanning, you're usually thinking about the top part of the image anyways. Now tighten the 3 thumb screws and the 2 side screws, and you're ready to go. And just kind of fine tune it there. Got pretty good peripheral vision. And try to mount the Vistas so you look up to see the image if you can. Now, some people, because of head shape, whatever, some people need to have the Vistas lower down to have a good focus. So if you're one of those people, loosen the thumb screws, and as you're positioning the goggles, you're going to have to look down onto the Vista displays. So if you use this lower position, you're going to have to tip up the Vistas between exams for your safety. And this, again, if you're out in the very bright sunlight, you may use this position. So now let's go look at positioning the Vista goggles using the hat mount configuration. I like wearing the hat, so I've mounted the Vista goggle module on the GoPro Hat Clip. I've got 2 extension pieces in there. You may only need 1. So again, loosen the 3 thumb screws, and now just take your time and position those goggles where you want them. And ideally you want to position the Vista module as close to the brim of the hat as possible, and this provides the most sunshade when scanning in bright sunlight. So here I am tightening up the 3 thumb screws, and again you may just do this with just 1 extension piece, 2 thumb screws. That's a personal preference. And now lift your chin up when you're walking around for peripheral vision, or tip your hat. And it's a comfortable way for a lot of people. So let's look at positioning the Vista goggles with the 3rd configuration, the GoPro Head Strap. I'll put that on our head. And now we're going to loosen up the 3 thumb screws and just kind of wiggle it around. And again, get that in the best position so you see the top 90% of the screen. And when you pick your spot, you just tighten up those thumb screws. And it's pretty simple using the head strap. Some people really like it. It's really simple to take it on and off. And the good part about it in the winter time with the head strap is you can wear a wool cap, keep those ears from freezing off. So this quick review, finding the best position to focus the Vista goggles. Please do this before you go to the farmer ranch. Take your time. Have the thumb screws very loose to start with so you can position it any which way you like. Put the Vistas on your head and position so the image is in focus. Again, think about the top 90%, not the bottom. And try several positions and find the one that gives you the best focus and peripheral vision combination. Please try several positions. Think about looking up rather than down. And if you have any trouble with this, call the ReproScan office for assistance at 1-877-890-2411. Thank you.